Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to record on an iPhone screen. The method we are going to show you is a built-in that is already present in your iPhone device. To activate it, first go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Control Center. You have to make sure that the screen recording option is available in the included controls and not in More Controls. Next, swipe down your control panel and as you can see, the screen recording option is available here. You just need to tap on it and everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. You can choose to turn on or off the microphone. This built-in feature also allows you to enable Do Not Disturb mode to prevent unexpected notifications. Once you are done, tap on the Stop Recording option. Your recorded video will be saved in Photos. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.